Welcome to day 22 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Exercises. So this is the exercise video of the day. Don't forget to also watch your Tai Chi video as well. All right, so today's exercise is called the step-ups forward and back. So for this exercise, you'll need to use a step. So I recommend using a flight of stairs so that way there's already hopefully a railing there. And that way you can hold on to the railing for safety. All right, now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use these blocks. I don't recommend actually doing that though, because it's real easy to have the block roll out from under you. But just for demonstration purpose, so you can see it clearly, I'm going to use those for now. All right, you can also use a step stool, but once again, you'll want to put it near something that you can hold on to, like the wall or a countertop, and so that way you can stay safe for this exercise. All right, so I'll demonstrate it first, and then we'll do it all together. All right, so you'll start off by standing in front of the step. All right, then you'll pick one leg to start with. So I'm going to pick my right leg. So I'm going to step up with my right and then up with my left. And you want to get nice and tall and then step down with your right, down with your left. So the same foot you step up with, then step down with backwards. All right, once again, hold on to a railing, especially stepping backwards if you haven't done that before. All right, so you start off with the right foot up, then left, then right foot down, then left. All right, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 10 of those with just the right leg leading forward and back, then we'll do 10 with the left. That way you'll get an even amount of steps in on both sides. All right, so some key things is you'll just wanna breathe normally. You might wanna breathe out as you come up if that's a little bit harder for you, so then take a breath in and then breathe out. And so that might be a good pattern for you. But for this one, you could just breathe normal and that would be okay too. Just make sure you are breathing though. That's really the key. All right, and so the other thing is I want to remind you to stay tall and you get to the top. So you don't want to just go up and then just kind of come back down unless that's as tall as you can get. But if you can, get all the way up and then come all the way down. And take your time, okay? This isn't a speed race. This is really for function and for strength, all right, and for endurance. All right, and so once again, step up, take your time, make sure you're really there, then step down. Okay, so make sure you feel stable at each phase of this exercise. All right, so we'll start off with the right leg. You can do the other one if you want, but I'm gonna guide it with my right leg first. We'll do 10 reps and then we'll switch sides. All right, and so we'll begin. So we'll start off with the right and ready, step up and step down with the right, that's one. Up with the right, down with the right. That's two, up, three, up, and down. Four, up with the right, down with the right. Five, up with the right, down with the right. Six, seven, and you can stop whenever you need to. 8, 9, and 10. All right, now I'll do the other side. Once again, stop short if you need to. If you're getting tired already, that might be good enough. You can do the other side tomorrow, all right? But if you feel okay, we'll do the left now. So up with the left and then down with the left. So the left leg leads, basically. All right, and we'll begin. So up with the left, down with the left first. Up with the left first, and then down with the left. All right, but both feet come up, then both feet down. So come down with both feet all the way. All right, I think I lost track. We'll call that 5, 6. Up with the left, down with the left. 7, up, up, down, down. 8, up, up, down, down. 9, and 10. All right, so this one might be fun if you have one of those heart rate monitors or on your watch or, but yeah, you'll notice you'll get maybe a little bit of a cardio workout with this one too. And you can do more than one set on each side. So one set is 10. And so if you do 10 on the right, 10 on the left, that's one set on each side. And so I would say just do the one set on each side at the most on the first day. Because as always, you can always progress. But if you do too much, you can't really take it back. So, and if you get really sore, I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it might not be very pleasant. So the best way to really just make sure you don't overdo it is just do one set on each side and then see how you feel the next day. If you're sore, take a day off from that muscle group and do something else. Or just take a day off altogether. If it feels okay though, and you want to really build that up, then you can do 2 sets on each side, or do 1 set in the morning and then 1 set on each side at night. You can really vary it to whatever works best for you. All right, let me know how it felt for you, and let me know what you're planning on doing. Whether you're going to do maybe 1 set in the morning, 1 set at night, or 2 sets all together. If that feels like something that might work for you, if you're like, oh yeah, that was pretty easy, I'll probably do 2. But remember, wait till you feel, see how you feel tomorrow, and then yeah, I wish you luck, and I'll see you in the next video.